Hi ma'am, my name is Enzo Andre B. Sulaik from the class of 9 Manjan, and my computer partner is Mix Valeros. For our MA5, we have prepared this jingle cheer, and the project title is A Merry Little Christmas. Our project overview and objectives is the problem we are addressing are for the kids and people who don't celebrate Christmas, and with this jingle cheer we hope they can join all of us in celebrating a Merry Christmas together. For our components and materials, we have the RGB LED, 3 resistors, the breadboard, the buzzer or piezo, and also the Arduino Uno R3. The RGB LED will show our bright lights, while the piezo is going to play the jingle cheer we have prepared. And I will be showing you how that works in both Tinkercad and the physical component.